Want to know the best way to convert your PSB file to XLS file in seconds? If yes, download BitRecover PSB Converter Wizard. It is a 100% secure and easy-to-use application to convert multiple PSB files to XLS without any problem. If you want to know more about the software, please watch the video. First of all, read all the information mentioned in the software starting window. Once agree, tap on the Next button. Now, the user has two modes to browse file with. PSB extension from the system, choose from Select File and Select Folder option. Here, we choose the Select Folder mode to upload a complete PSD folder from the system and tap on Select Folder button. Now, click on the Next button. After this, the software analyzes the chosen PSD file and lists them software interface. Now, user need to mark the checkbox of required PSD file and unmark the rest. Now, click on the Next button. Go to Saving option and browse the list and choose your required option. We are selecting XLS Format. After that, the software provides a destination path option where user can browse a required location on their system for the results. Finally, hit the Convert button and view the live conversion of PSB files. User can also witness of the conversion. Once completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. The trial version of the software has the ability of converting first 5 PSB files. The software automatically opens the resultant location and get the conversion files.